Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to my channel, Being Terrace. Today I'm going to share with you some tips about rose plants, how to take care of it. There are a lot of people who really scared of taking care of roses because we often listen that roses are not easy to grow. You have to take care of it. You have to do a lot of things to have a proper rose plant. Uh, but I don't think you have to do a hell lot of thing to take care of it. It's There are some easy steps, but you have to follow it properly. Today I'm going to share with you some tips about how to take care of a rose plant. And they are very easy steps. Um, there will be a series of videos about rose plant and how to take care of it. So buy one rose plant and follow what I am saying you to do. I think you will be able to have a pretty healthy rose plant and have some roses. Uh, there are people who often tell me that they have bought rose plants and that died. They have tried a lot of things but they couldn't let it survive. But I don't think it's very tough to do so. In this video, I will share with you how to make a cut, how to cut a rose properly, because it's very important step. Though it's a little step, there are other things you have to do, but this one is a little step. This one is a small step, but it's very important. Uh, Whenever we have a rose plant, we love to see roses growing in our plants. We leave the flower as it is and let them dry in our plant. But you shouldn't do that. You have to cut it in proper time. Otherwise, you will lose your plant. You shouldn't have to leave the flower in your plant and let it dry. Do cut the rose when you are seeing that the flower is getting dry. When the petal is uh, getting brown, you will see the color will change. The side of the petals will start to get brown or start to get darker. Then you have to cut the flower from the plant. There is a proper way to cut it. You have to cut in a 45-degree angle, and you have to apply a fungicide powder in that cut. Otherwise, your plant will get dieback, or it may get fungus. Rose plants are very prone to diseases. You have to take proper steps. There are small steps. They are not like huge things you have to do. There are very small things, but you have to do them properly. So in this video, I will show you how to cut it and where to cut it. You can cut anywhere, from anywhere. You can cut just under the flower, or you can cut a long stem with the flower, but there is a proper way to cut it, proper place to cut it. I will show it in this video. Just follow it. You can see this is one of my rose plants, and there are some flowers that already been bloomed. And they are getting dry. We shouldn't let them dry in the plant. You can ask me then why have I done that. I have done that just for this video. I wanted to show you but you should not. That's why I let them dry here. Don't let them dry in your plant. You have to cut it before it gets dry. So see, this one is also drying. See, it's getting dark. So we have to remove this flower. because if you let them be here, you leave them here, they will take all the foods that will be needed for more blooming. So if you need a lot of flowers, you shouldn't leave those old flowers, the flowers that are drying. See, in this branch it's a bit difficult. I'm really very sorry for the dog's bark. See, this one has 3 leaves. 1, 2, 3. And this one has 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. So you have to cut the flowers where there is 5 leaves. Don't cut where there are 3 leaves. But here I can't do that because there are 2 more flowers that are blooming. See, they just have started to bloom. So, and see, all of them has this common stem, this one. So now, just for now, I'll cut it from here, and when these 2 flowers will bloom completely and they will start to get dry, then I'll cut them from here where there are 5 leaves. Okay, I will cut her just for now from here. See, this one, we have 5 leaves here, so I'll cut it from here. Now I'll apply a fungicide powder where I made the cut. I'm using a toothbrush for applying the paste. I have made a paste using just water and the powder. You can use any fungicide powder. I'm using Saf. That's it. I also have a white rose. They also have bloomed completely, so see, this one has already dried totally. So now I will make the cut. This one has 5 leaves, so here I'll cut it here. This one has 5 leaves, so I'll cut it from here. This one has 5 leaves. See, I'll cut it from here. Now I will apply the fungicide paste. I know it breaks our heart to cut all those flowers, but you always try to cut the flowers before they are getting dried. I know we feel really bad to cut all those flowers before they are drying, but you shouldn't let them dry. See, there are new buds here. There are so many new buds here. This one is about to bloom. Those are all new branches. They're coming out, and there will be one or two flowers in each branches. If you don't cut them in proper time, you wouldn't get this many flowers. So you have to make the cut. You have to be a little bit heartless to have more flowers. And as I said, that they will eat all the nutrients from your soil, because this is not we have used a pot. The soil is limited, so for more flowers you have to cut them in proper time. I'll also cut them today. These two I'll also cut them, and this one too. See, I never do that. I never do this, but for this video I have let them dry in my plant. Cover the cuts properly, otherwise there will be tie back, and that's a very common problem for our rose plants. See, my camera isn't focusing. Cover them properly. This plant also have a lot of dried rose, but most of the leaves here are 5 leaves, so this plant is, you don't have to do a very hard work to find 5 leaves. See, here are the 5 leaves. This one, see, this is 5 leaves. Now apply the paste, cover the cut properly. See, you shouldn't cut these flowers. They're blooming properly. They don't have any dried petal. The petals are fresh. So I left these two and cut the rest of the flowers that are not healthy, that are getting dry, and that's it. And from here and here there will be new growths, new leaves, and new flowers. I'll show you
I'll give you an update about that. Just these short steps and you will have a healthy, beautiful rose plant. It's not very tough to have one. You just have to follow up some basic routine and that's it. See, so pretty.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.